my favorite way to teach lowercase letters and even numbers. This is simply a large piece of construction paper with a permanent marker, dividing it in half, and I took 2 bowls to make the 2 circles on the sides. And I'm sorry about the little parakeet. I know she's loud. We even tried covering her up. She's just ready to sing. So your child will learn to put their non-dominant hand right here. This technique I first learned about from Brain Gym, and Diane Kraft is an educator who expanded on it, and I'm going to kind of show you how she does it, because I found this works really great, not just for teaching lowercase letters, but if a child has dysgraphia, if they really can't figure out the motor plan, and they have to make that G, and they can't remember, do I start at the top, do I start at the bottom, what does it look like? And by the time they write great down, or the rest of their class has written great down, they're lost. So this is a great way to make it automatic. And it happens because of the right and the left. I'm going to try to do it as your child would if you were looking here. So you will very, very slowly, trying to stay on the line as much as possible, you being your student, trace around this 8 3 times. Now you're going this way, and then you're going this way, depending on if you're tracing the right or the left circle. Diane Kraft suggests doing this 3 times, painfully slowly. For an older student with dysgraphia, this will correct the dysgraphia most likely, but it will have to be done the whole alphabet every day for 6 months. It's a bit painful, but it does make it automatic. Okay, again, very slowly, 3 times around. And then the key to this is it teaches the child automatically which direction to go. Is this a letter that goes right or left? So with my A, I would again be tracing around this circle and then pulling down for my A. Then again, 3 times around slowly, and then my B. Three times around slowly, and then my C, and continuing through the whole alphabet. If you're not sure if your letter will be on the right or the left side, you can just Google figure 8 alphabet, and you can find the alphabet written out with little arrows to show you that the A is going to go this way, or that the Z is going to go this way. All right, so this is, again, my favorite way to teach lowercase letters because it's teaching directionality. It's over-exaggerated, but it will translate later on to this very easily. And your child will just automatically know which direction to move, which is one of the harder things about handwriting. So again, this is my favorite way to teach uppercase versus the lowercase letters, where they always start at the top and always start either here or here. You can do the numbers the same way. For instance, this would be a 9. And your student will start to realize that it's very much like a G, and they'll start to make associations that way. In fact, you can even teach them, if you don't want to go A, B, C, D, you can teach them all of their letters that go this way first. A, C, D. I think I did the D over there, didn't I, before? Maybe not. I can't remember now. But the G, there are so many letters that are grouped together, and that just helps your student to remember, okay, yeah, that was one of those that went this way versus this way. Your M, we'll go ahead and just cut through it, like so. Your N, your R, and it's just helping your student learn, do I go right or do I go left? And it becomes much more automatic. I like to do this before I even move to paper. In fact, this is my preschoolers page, and we've just started A, B, and C, and the number 9 because that was tricky for him. So a great way to make it automatic if you're teaching at home. Thanks.